Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Microsoft Store error code message 0x80d03002. That something unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait a bit and try again or restart your device. That may help. And then again followed by error code 0x80d03002. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match, come back with troubleshoot settings, go ahead and open that up. On the right side underneath options, you want to select other troubleshooters, and then underneath other, you want to scroll down and select the Windows Store app troubleshooter and the run button. And then I recommend following along with any of the suggestions it makes for you here. Again, hopefully this is able to resolve the problem. If you're still having an issue, you can go underneath where it says apps on the left side. Go ahead and left click on them. And then on the right side, you want to select apps and features. In the apps list field, type in store. Best match should come back on Microsoft Store. Select the three-dotted icon next to it and select advanced options. You want to scroll down underneath reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select repair. And now I would attempt to go back in the Microsoft Store and see if you are still experiencing that error. If you are, you can select the next option here, where if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. And now you want to close out of here and type in WS reset into the search menu. So again, WS reset. Go ahead and open that up and give it a moment here. And there you go. So hopefully that's able to help resolve your problem, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.